bok choy?
Yeah, that's what it is. So you can start harvesting the bok choy now.
I mean, I have to trim leaves and stuff. Like there was some leaves that was
Over
touching the bed and got kind of broken and stuff. So any leaves that's at the bottom and everything, I just went ahead and trimmed them. But I could tell they missed this tree though. Yep, told you. Like the stalks. Better than just the leaves. But you know, bok choy is really strong. So those stalks are thick. That's why she's struggling, trying to bite it off. She's trying to dominate this one thing. That's right, Rocky. You can go to another spot. I got 4 different spots. So y'all,
She the only one that got it all over her mouth.
y'all don't even have to fight over it.
It's up to 4 different spots.
Yeah, there's another one over here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Then they getting water and everything from this too.
Mm-hmm.
Like they can feel it on their beak. You just try to rub it off on the perch.
Mm-hmm. And getting a balanced diet at the same time.
Look, Rocky's trying to rub it off on the perch.
I was curious, would they like the bok choy?
Goldilocks are
Because I know the bok choy gonna be able to grow really well too, along with the lettuce.
What's Goldie eating right now? Lettuce.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he really loves the lettuce because he has not moved from it at all.
Yeah, that's 4 different types of lettuce. Having a field day. Aren't y'all just so bougie and privileged? Have fresh cut greens. There's literally a spot for everybody, y'all.
They still choose to fight.
Hmm.
Oh, they almost done with that piece of bok choy.
Mm-hmm. The lettuce is disappearing too. And I trimmed a lot of lettuce for them. But I know this is a break from the pellets. Because, you know, switching them all over the pellets is kind of rough. Because it's not really their favorite thing.
Mm-hmm. So what you gonna do with the seeds that you've been feeding them at first?
Give it to them as a treat.
Like you're doing this.
Mm-hmm. Like when I let them out, I put some seeds up there. Mm-hmm. But this is definitely something I want to maintain for them. Be able to always feed them some fresh stuff. Yeah, they definitely do a lot of pooping. make sure to compost all of it. But it's really fun knowing that they love their greens, though. Because just think about the difference between them and birds that just eat seeds all day. It's a huge difference. Because, you know, birds like this don't get seeds all day. They have to actually hunt for this stuff. I was even tempted to get them some worms and stuff.
They would eat that?
Like some mealworms or something. I'm sure they eat birds out in the wild.
And they eat worms out in the wild?
Hmm?
You said you're sure to eat birds out in the wild.
Worms.
You said birds.
Worms. Don't let me replay my video.
Okay.
And that's the one thing I noticed too. Like, once I put the greens in here, they will literally keep going at it until it's gone. And that just lets you know how much they miss it. Because I was supposed to have been harvested this lettuce. Rocky's actually standing on the lettuce eating it.
He's standing on everything. You got treats at home, he's standing on everything. He's sitting in the food bowl.
Is the box try too tough for you, Rocky? Yeah, you look like you're struggling trying to bite that. Yeah, trying to cut the stalk. Stalk is just so tough. Yeah, those are the real thick leaves that I took off.
See him clean those up?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good for them to have that little backup water. Because I see they've been taking more baths. Because I look around and the water is dirty so quick. That lets me know they're taking baths. And Rocky's belly was wet, so I knew he was in there. Which makes sense for this summertime. It's a bit warmer. What is Silver doing? Why is she going so crazy? She's just like trying to rip it. What in the world? Nah, that's hilarious.
I think I made her mad that she couldn't cut it.
That is hilarious. This is almost a 10-minute video.
10 minutes?
Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna keep on growing this stuff for y'all. Of course. You're not gonna be eating good alone.